Hi, I'm Robert Lisats and today I'm going to show you how to stay fit in a very simple way. My advice to you is don't waste your time when you're going to work. Treat this time as training session time. This is how you use the time when you're going to work in an effective way. It's for free, it's healthy, and you're getting fit at the same time. If it's possible, take your bike and drive to work with your bike. If your working place is closer, go by foot, run. There's always a way to work out when you're going to work, even if you're in a car, because you can just take a tennis ball and while you're stuck in the traffic jam, you can work on your grip strength. And this is how I get 2 workouts a day for free. In the morning when I go to work, and in the evening when I go back home. Bonjour, please open the rampa. Thank you. Haydi.